Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your science teacher, Miss Farheen, and I welcome you all to your science class. My dear students, as you know that we are on chapter number 5 and the name of our chapter is Physical and Chemical Changes of Matter. Today we are going to do an experiment. That is experiment number 3 from your Science 5 books. So my dear students, let's quickly start the lecture with the recap. So in the previous lecture, we discussed about how we dissolve different solutes into solvent. We also discussed about the solubility and how solubility can be increased. So quickly tell me, what is solubility? The dissolving of solute into a solvent at a given temperature is known as its solubility. So what are factors that enhance the solubility? किस तरह हम solubility को increase कर सकते हैं किसी भी solution में? By increasing its temperature and then by breaking the solute into smaller particles and by stirring. Okay, my dear students, so today the students will be able to identify ways of accelerating the process of dissolving materials in given amount of water. And they will also provide reasoning, that is increasing the temperature, stirring and breaking the solid into smaller pieces increases the process of dissolving. So my dear students, ये previous lecture में हमने इसके बारे में study किया था. आज हम इसको practically जो है मैं इसको demonstrate करूंगी. So my dear students, quickly tell me that which factors that affect the dissolving? Temperature, stirring and breaking of solvent into smaller pieces. So now is the time for the experiment. Quickly open page number 70 in your Science 5 books. I hope everybody has opened the books. Now let's start the look at the instructions of the experiment. Experiment 3, to study the factors affecting dissolving dissolution of solid substances. So किस तरीके से जो solution बनाने का तरीका है वो effect हो सकता है और हम solution dissolving को increase कर सकते हैं. So the materials that are required is sugar, pestle and mortar, water, 3 glasses, spoon, heating system, stopwatch. So my dear students, अब मेरे पास sugar भी है. इसके अलावा मैंने sugar को बारीक पीस के भी रख लिया है, उसको smaller particles में convert कर दिया है. I also have water, 3 glasses, I have spoon. Heating system के लिए मैंने क्या किया है? I have heated the water, मैंने पानी को गर्म कर लिया है और stopwatch मेरे मोबाइल में मौजूद है. So my dear students, what I will do now is first of all, I will open the stopwatch. इसको मैंने 0 पे जो है वो कन्वर्ट कर दिया है. Here you can see it, ये 0 हो चुकी है. अब जो है मैं जब आहिस्ता आहिस्ता हम प्रोसीजर करेंगे तो मैं इसको ऑन करूंगी और टाइम जो है वो हम रिकॉर्ड करेंगे. ओके, so step 1 is dissolve 2 tablespoons of sugar into half glass of water. Note the time until all sugar dissolves completely. So my dear students, अब सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? हमने 2 टेबलस्पून शुगर लेनी है और उसको हाफ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर में जो है हमने डालना है और उसके बाद हम टाइम भी नोट डाउन करेंगे. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं पानी जो है इसको मेजर करके डालूंगी क्योंकि हमने तमाम एक्सपेरिमेंट में तमाम स्टेप्स में सेम अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर लेना है. सो आई हैव अ मेजरिंग सिलेंडर है. मैं 40 ml ऑफ वाटर जो है तमाम एक्सपेरिमेंट में बार बार यूज करूंगी. सो आई विल पोर इन द वाटर और मैं इसको एग्जैक्टली 40 पे लेकर आऊंगी. So it is 40 exactly, if you can see it. ठीक है? This is a stirrer for mixing the things. ठीक है? अब मैं इसको I will pour it into a beaker. और अब मैं क्या करूंगी? What I will do now is I will add in 2 tablespoons of sugar. ठीक है? Regular sugar है मेरे पास, मैं इसको add करूंगी. This is the regular sugar, 1 and 2. And when I will start mixing, I will switch on the stopwatch. और जब जितनी देर में ये mix होगी, मैं time जो है वहां stop करूंगी. So keep on stirring it because stirring also increase the dissolution. Keep on mixing it. So we will mix it until there will be no sugar left in the bottom. ठीक है, कोई sugar particles जो है जब तक नीचे नहीं रहेंगे हम इसको तब तक जो है we will keep on mixing it. ऑलमोस्ट 1 मिनट होने वाला है मुझे इसको मिक्स करते हुए. Still there is some sugar left in the bottom. One minute, it's above 1 minute, and almost all the sugar has dissolved now. Okay, all the sugar has dissolved, and I will stop the stopwatch. The time is 1.25 minutes. Okay, that is time record कर लेते हैं हम साथ ही, यानी कि 1 minute और 25 seconds. This is the time for step number 1. आप इसको नोटिस में रखें. अब हम step 2 की तरफ move on करेंगे. Step 2 is grind the sugar into powder. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar powder into half glass of water. Note the time until the sugar dissolves completely. Okay, stopwatch को हम दोबारा reset कर देंगे. Okay, इसको मैंने 0 कर दिया. अब again I will take the second beaker. I will again measure the water. I will pour it into the beaker. And this time I will take 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Now again we will start the stopwatch and we will start dissolving it. ये तो instantly dissolve हो गई है. So it has completely dissolved in just in 25 seconds. ठीक है? So it dissolved in 25 seconds. So देखिए कितनी जल्दी जो है कितना ज्यादा increase हो गया dissolving इससे. Now let's move forward towards the next step. The next step says that add 2 tablespoons of sugar into half glass of water, heat it on low flame, stir it, note the time until the all sugar dissolves completely. So my dear students, अब हम क्या करेंगे? अब मेरे पास गर्म पानी मौजूद है. Again I will measure the hot water. 40 ml to be precise, and then I will add sugar into it. I will reset the stopwatch and I will start stirring it. So it has completely dissolved in just in 22 seconds. So this means that heating also affects the dissolving of the objects. Okay, my dear students. So now observation. Make a table of your observations. Conclusion, what did you learn from this activity? So अब हम क्या करेंगे? इसके लिए हम एक टेबल बनाएंगे. और आप टेबल में जो है अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग्स जो है उनको रिकॉर्ड करेंगे. Okay, so my dear students, write down your name in this worksheet and the name and the roll number, then enlist the factors that increase the solubility, then which solute dissolves quickly, solid coffee or powdered coffee. So of course powdered coffee will dissolve more. In which solvent sugar will dissolve completely and why? Hot water, cold water. By which process our dissolving will be complete? Dissolving will be complete, and why? By stirring, by shaking. So my dear students, you will complete this worksheet after this experiment, and your homework will be question number 7, section 3 on page B, 74 and 75. So my dear students, you will also make the recordings, and how you will record it, आपने एक table बनाना है, और उस table में you will write step 1, then you will write step 2, and then you will write step 3. Time. Okay. So in step 1 आप जो है उसमें टाइम लिखेंगे उसका. Okay, my dear students, now you will make the table. How you will make it? आपने एक टेबल इस तरह से बनाना है, और फिर आप उसमें लिखेंगे step 1, you will write step 2 and step 3, और फिर आप जो टाइम टेकन है फॉर डिसॉल्विंग वो भी लिखेंगे, नोट डाउन करेंगे. सो फर्स्ट वाले में था 1.25 minutes, then it was 25 seconds, and then it was 22 seconds. और उसके बाद आप ये भी बताएंगे कि ऐसा क्यों हुआ, how it speeded up, तो आप उसको explain करेंगे. Okay, my dear students, now let's quickly move forward towards the wrap up. So stirring, breaking the solid material and increasing the temperature affects the dissolving of the solid material. यानी कि stir करने से, heat up करने से solvent को, और breaking of the solute into smaller particles जो है dissolving को affect करते हैं. Okay, my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed today's practical. Keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.